Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to use mic on Roblox. First of all, you have to open Roblox app. Once the Roblox app is open, you have to tap on three dot over here. Just go to settings. Now if you want to use it guys, you just need to tap on privacy, and in the privacy you have to scroll down, and you have to, if you want to use microphone, you have to enable it. You have to enable microphone from here. Just tap on this toggle button to enable, uh, and again you have to tap on enable to enable microphone to chat with your voice. Just tap on it. Now once you enable it, from here you just need to open any Roblox game that supports microphone as communication, and just tap on the mic over avatar's head to enable your voice chat. Just tap on this mic over avatar's head to enable voice chat. As you can see the variation, it means Roblox is using your mic. So yeah, that's how you can use your mic on Roblox. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.